This isn't a great picture, but this is a 3D video off of YouTube, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. We are using an iPhone 5. It looks so much better when you're actually looking through it and don't have a cell phone recording. It provides a very clear picture. So far, all of my kids love it. They've been playing with it for the last few days. I found that it will actually fit the iPhones all the way up into my Note 4, which is a lot larger of a screen. It does hold them securely, so you don't have to worry about your phone getting damaged. I would highly recommend this. It is very neat. I'm hoping this gives you a better idea of how the glasses work and how you'll be able to look through them. I believe this actually gives a lot clearer picture than the 3D glasses do on my Samsung Smart TV, since you're so much closer to it. Right now I do not have the headband on it, just have it simple, but it's very easy to open. And as you can see, there's the iPhone 5. And looking this way, you wouldn't know this was a 3D video. You actually have to be looking through here to tell.